Close to what I came from, how was I ashamed of? Things that